What do you think's inside the box, Ate?
Bado.
Bado, clothing. Try in English. Subukan yung English.
Dress.
A dress. What do you think, Ate? What is inside the box? Ano, ikala mo? Ano? Hair clip. Ah, wow. I think there's going to be a lot of hair clips in that big box. Ate, what do you think?
Dali na.
Guess lang. Clothing.
Ako na.
What do you think? What do you think, Ate? Are you shy? Kenrick, what do you think's inside?
Damit.
Bag. Wilson, what do you think is inside?
Bado. Damit.
Clothing. Oh, Jonathan.
Slipper. Shoes.
Oh.
Bitones.
Ate, what do you think?
Puto.
Should we open?
We were